Hello everyone, welcome to another review video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the DoubleTree Hotel by Hilton here in Patong Beach, Phuket, Thailand. And I'm gonna explain why we choose this hotel after doing a lot of research in the area. This is the main entrance. This marble section looks like a bar, but it was not in operation. There are some sitting areas in the middle if you need to wait for check-in. The ceiling is actually open and you can feel the fresh air flowing throughout the building. You can see one of the pools and the additional building on this side, and same thing for the other side as well. And here is the check-in desk.
Alright, we just did a check-in. It was a process. Took a little longer than what I was expecting, but that's fine. So we're gonna go check out the room. Okay.
But they're gonna bring a car over here and get inside.
Oh, nice.
Here we go, I made it to the room. Let me show you guys around before I touch anything. Here is a small cabinet with some snacks, couple of waters and some condiments, and small fridge with some drinks already there. Here it is, the wardrobe with a safe, umbrella and a couple of robes. The room feels a little small but not claustrophobic. He definitely could appreciate some upgrades. Feels a little outdated, to be honest. Here is the mirror and a sink, and here is the bathroom with a tub shower combo. They provide all shampoo, conditioner and body wash products. It feels a little tight in here as well. Here's the sink again, nice and clean. The bed is very comfy, clean sheets, didn't have any funky smells or anything. Here it is, a small sitting area. I actually use this area to organize my bags, so it's a good place for that. And here is the small coffee table. If you are a Hilton Honors Gold or Diamond member, they give you this bottle of juice and 2 shots of vodka, so that was a nice touch. Okay, let's go check out the patio. There's a couple of lounge chairs, a coffee table and a clothing rack. Since we are on the ground level, the pool is just right in front of our room. So we booked the 4 rooms right next to each other with the beautiful pool access. Let me see if my friend is ready. He got exactly the same room and it seems like he already left. Anyway, let's go back to the room and take the drone out to see the surroundings. As you can see, we are very close to the beach, so the location of the hotel is just perfect. We are a few steps away from the Patong Beach, 10 minutes walking from the famous Bangkok walking street where all the craziness happens. There are a lot of restaurants and shops around the building. We are also 40 minutes away from the famous Big Buddha Temple here in Phuket. I made a different video about the Big Buddha Temple, so you can watch and decide if you want to visit or not. And you can find that video in my channel under the Thailand playlist. After I got some rest, let me show you guys how close we are to the beach. Lobby looks a lot nicer with the lights on in the evening. And here is the main entrance again. That white building on the left is actually where they serve the breakfast. I'm gonna show you that later in the video. They even have a charging station for electric vehicles. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. There's a massage place, a pizza place, and a barber shop. I actually got a haircut here too. And also an Indian restaurant and a liquor store at the corner. On this corner, this little bar is actually belongs to Hilton, so you can get your drinks written on your room. And this is the Watson store. It's basically a convenience store, so you can get your daily needs from here. So now you can kind of see why we choose this hotel. The main reason is the location. Everything you need just a few minutes away from you. And the hotel was very clean and had a great service. Alright, let's go watch the sunset at the Patong Beach, then we come back for a drink. Just so you know, when you cross the road anywhere in the country, you gotta be very careful. Because you don't have the priority, but vehicles do. So you gotta wait until you have enough clearance to cross, or sometimes they stop and let you cross the road. But still be very careful because Thailand is #1 in traffic accidents fatalities in the world. So here we are at the famous Patong Beach, and we made it out here just in perfect time to see this beautiful sunset. Patong Beach stretches almost 2 miles from north to south, so it's a quiet long beach. In here you can do some water activities like jet skiing and parasailing. As you can see, they go pretty high up, so they probably having the best views. You should definitely plan your time and watch this beautiful sunset at least once during your visit. And you can thank me later. Trust me, you will enjoy it. Good morning everyone, it is the next day here at Patong Beach. Today we're gonna visit some of the islands including Koh Kai Nai, Koh Phi Phi and the famous Maya Bay. So before we head out, let me show you guys the breakfast area and the food they serve. Then I'll let you know how much we pay for this hotel including the buffet breakfast. This is the main entrance on the right, and you just need to walk up to this area which still belongs to Hilton. This is the fitness center on the right. I honestly didn't have time to check it out. And here's the breakfast place. This is the second biggest reason why we choose this hotel is the buffet breakfast. The breakfast place is very spacious and they have plenty of tables. Let me just show you all the food they serve. As you can see, they have pretty much everything you can think of. So the food was delicious and fresh. They have a lot of options, you will find something you like for sure. And this is the a la carte restaurant right next to the breakfast place. They have a lot of good options for lunch and dinner, but I prefer more local restaurants unless you don't want to walk around, so it's good to have a restaurant close by. Here we go, it's time to say goodbye to Hilton and go to our next adventure. We stayed here for 3 nights and we all had a great time. Overall, the rooms were a little outdated and small, but we chose the most affordable rooms, so they might have better options for higher prices. So let me let you guys know how much we paid for the rooms. We paid $55 per night per room, including the buffet breakfast. But this rate was the Hilton employee discount. So the regular rates for the same room was $85 to $103 per night, depending on the dates. Even without the employee discount, I think it's a great deal, so you should definitely consider staying here. Now we are going to Krabi with a private van. I'm gonna have another video for the Krabi and Riley Beach trip, so you can find that on my channel as well. I hope this video was helpful and valuable to you. If you have any questions, please add it in the comments. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.